Greetings to all. This is Devendra Deshpande from Thoughts India. Today we are going to make a small component for a mixer grinder. It's a hand mixie and it's broken, and it has this small component. You can see it's geometrically quite simple, I guess, and we will try to make it from 3D printing. So this piece is made out of some sort of a rubber which goes inside this shaft like this, and it connects to a motor above. So first we are going to measure it out with this vernier caliper by AccuPlus. I guess this is quite accurate and would sort our needs. So here we are ready with the basic sketch and all the basic dimensions to make it into a 3D. Now let's make a 3D virtual model of it. Here we are ready with the 3D model of that component. Now let's program that model into another software which is used for 3D printing, which is Ultimaker Cura 4.0. Now we are all ready and set to print. Let's go and print. Guys, we are ready with the component. Here you can see. So here is the motor of that mixie. This is the shaft upon which the component is supposed to sit. And you can see that it fits very well, very precisely, and without any effort. This is a small screw base which fits over the top of this notch. You can see it's very precise. I have not altered anything, and I guess the job is done. So now we are finished with the assembly. Let's see whether it works or not. It works perfectly. Please hit the like button if you have liked the video, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.